If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Just before we get into the video, make sure you're following me over on Twitter. Louis_crypto is the name. I would suggest using the links in the description of each update to get over here, as there are fake accounts. Let's get this to 2.5k followers. What you can expect here is, of course, as soon as the YouTube updates do come out, I tend to post that over on Twitter as well as leaving a little picture just as a glimpse of what's to come in that update. Welcome back everyone to another Kaspa update. Very nice to see that all the TA that we've been mentioning in the past couple of days is all happening. So essentially we were coming back down to the 200 EMA to reset the market, and then we had a little scare over here, but I pretty much gave some calm, suggesting that now this wick is here and we've very quickly reclaimed the 200 EMA again. We need to see it confirm the support. Again, in the past day, we've lost it again, but it's not the end of the world, guys, because when we see candles that push through the 200 EMA and very quickly reclaim it, it's going to have a wick. And so you just need to mark out that wick, and you now have created a new area of support between the 200 and that wick. So it's this nice box of support over here that going forward needs to hold. This is the price of 11.5 cent. If you want more specific, 11.4870 on the Kaspa USDT MEXC chart, because again, different exchanges, different prices. So make sure wherever you're holding, well, to be honest, I was about to say wherever you're holding Kaspa, use that, but hold on. I got mine on KuCoin and this is MEXC, but anyways, I think this has the most data. So essentially, now that we came back down to that key level of support and it actually wasn't lost, we've then reclaimed the 200 EMA again. Can you see the pattern that's forming right here, right now? If you've already tuned into my Nakamoto games video or my Bitcoin update, it's very similar. You've already seen it in the title as well. Key level being confirmed. Now, please go ahead and reclaim this level over here and break certain highs for continuation high. We're going to run through all of that today. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. It is appreciated, and we're on the road to 7.5k followers. And if you want to get educated, wait until the end of this video. A little clip will play, but please use the links in the description down below. So right now I'm also seeing another pattern. Now it's quite ugly, even though we are on the 4 hour. Maybe if I go to the 1 hour, it might be a little bit clearer. So yes, we can see this double bottom. It's forming on Naka, it's forming on Bitcoin. Those are the updates I've done already, but we're also seeing on this specific chart an inverse head and shoulders pattern within this double bottom. So two bullish patterns in this location, with both having the same neckline and technical target. So whichever one that you are seeing doesn't really matter, because it's the same target. So no arguments needed. And let me now get you the technical target. Boom, on the neckline right there. That is your neckline, highest bodies. Neckline back down to the low. This is more aggressive target, but we'll just see where that takes us. And that's taking us back to the 0.5. Let's just check the more conservative target. It's pretty much going to say the same thing. It's about the 0.5 Fibonacci that this is targeting, about 13 cents. And we can previously see that it was being used as resistance, which led to the loss of the golden pocket as support. That is essentially the resistance that sent us down to the 200 EMA. Can you see we were holding the 618 and 65, and then by pumping into the 0.5 Fibonacci, I know you can clearly see it's slightly missed, but it's feeling this area. You've also got the 20 moving average as well, so that's your reasoning for why I didn't come exactly to that. But if we want to flip bullish again, we need to reclaim those levels. That's why you've seen that in the title. So now that we've confirmed this is support, it's a must to reclaim this level of resistance that we're pretty much at the moment, because essentially, guys, we're ranging between this point, and we're just waiting for a breakout. But because of what's going on over here, the fact that we've been in an uptrend, and remember the 200 EMA, it's just showing you what trend it is in. Where is the price action? Is it above the 200 EMA or is it below the 200 EMA? It's above, so this is an uptrend. And so as this is an uptrend, this serves as the bottom of it. You can see when we're trending up, we're not coming down to the 200 EMA. Now that we've failed to break this high, that's your reasoning to reset this uptrend. We haven't made a new high. This is, of course, could be seen as bearish, or an indicator that we need to reset this uptrend, catch support after resetting it, and then looking for that eventual continuation with next targets between 18 cent, 20 cent and 25 cents going forward. However, although we are holding the 200 EMA, for all the reasonings just previously mentioned, we are bullish. We need to see this continue to hold. If it gives in, then we're changing the trend. We're looking at these as our technical targets, then pulling back to the 200 EMA. And then at that point, if we get rejected again, we're coming lower. If we can reclaim it, then we're going back on that bullish path. But this scenario is not, as of yet, happening or confirmed. It's not valid whatsoever. That is just in preparation if we go ahead and lose this wick of 11.5 cents. Now, by breaking out of this high, 12.3 cents, we're validating the double bottom with a technical target at 13 cents. Just remember that. And then what I will do now for you guys is place a new set of fibs from this high to this low. And then we've got, again, another 0.5 in line with that 0.5. Just a suggestion that that's the level that we need to reclaim to create the reversal wave. And then we're looking at those higher price targets previously mentioned in this update between 17.5, 20 and 20, eventually 25 cents. This Fibonacci is not showing it, but from here down today, it does show it as high as 25 cents. So that's what we've got to look forward to. But again, we need to get out of this range that we're trapped within, and then hopefully break to the upside, reclaiming the 0.5, creating the reversal wave and validating all those higher price targets in the coming future. Otherwise, if we go ahead and lose the lower end, then we can see that we could be coming back down underneath 10 cents. And of course, for people that want the gains right now, that's not nice, but you need to also look at it the other way. It's opportunity, everyone. Opportunity to get Kaspa cheaper. I know it's not too much lower. This from today's current price, that final technical target is 18%, and the first one is 10%. So it's not too much difference long term. But yeah, it would just be nice psychologically to get Kaspa cheaper. So just see that as opportunity if it does come around to just continue to DCA. But again, as I explained over the past few days, I've already DCA'd within this range over here. So that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share so we can hit 7.5k. And if you want to get educated by myself, got multiple things in place: a Discord community, we do weekly group calls, I've got a course, mentorship, and yeah, there's something else, my ebook as well. So if you want to take action, use the links down below, and I'll catch you on that other side. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.